So, and also, these metals, they are a good conductor of electricity. That's why our electrical wiring and all it is done with these metals only. Okay. So you see outside there is a plastic, but inside the metals wire is there. Okay. And yeah, copper, like copper. And the metals are, already solid. I already mentioned you. They are ductile. Ductile. Okay. So some new terms you will find. Okay, when you comes to the higher classes. Okay. So if I write down here, just don't write now. Don't copy now. Just I'll write. They are good conductors. They are a good conductor of the heat and electricity. Okay. Number two, they are solid. Okay. Except mercury. Except mercury. I write very shortly here. You don't need to write now. Okay. Just you understand first. And they are malleable. Okay. Malleable is what? That is question come again. Malleable is the properties of the metals. Okay. So which can be beaten into thin sheets. पतला बना सकता है. हम hammer से मार कर उसको पतला बना सकता है. Okay. So that, yeah, gold also, whatever the other metal also. In your home there is a cooking utensils are there, steel plate are there, right? Right. So they can be malleable. And also when we make the dough and also iron is heated and then by giving the hammer they are making only, right? So that's point. Okay. So number fourth, that is they are ductile. Ductile is also property of this metal which can be drawn into long wire, lamba wire. Okay. So our electrical wiring and all. So they are made from the metal only. Why? Because they have the property of ductility. Okay. Ductile or ductility we can say. Okay. Yeah. And number 5 point here we can say they are sonorous. Okay. They are sonorous. Sonorous is the property of the metal which gives the ringing sound. When our school, okay, yeah, school bell, you may heard the sound, right? When our school bell give at that time, you heard the sounds of the ringing sound, right? You heard the ringing sound, right? So that is what? The property of the metal which gives, okay, sound, okay, ringing sound, that is called as the sonorous, okay. And the next comes to in number 6, they are, what is that? Yeah, sonorous is there, and lustrous. They are lustrous. Lustrous is the property of the metal, okay, which gives the shining appearance, okay. Most of the metals, they give the shining appearance, okay. So this point you have to know. And in number 7, they are hard. Metals are hard. Okay. इतना तान है. Okay. Except sodium. एक metal है, उसका नाम है sodium, जो very soft है. Okay. Except metal, sodium, which is very soft. Okay. And in number 8 point, we can write they are. This metal are, what is that? Hard, lustrous, sonorous, ductile. Okay, high density. Okay, metals have the high density. Okay, so they have the high density. So these are some properties of the metals. Okay, yeah, and then here non-metal come here. Non-metal is very simple, just opposite of the metals. I will briefly explain you. Non-metals. Okay, these non-metals are a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, just opposite of the metal. Okay, and they are solid now, but here also they are solid and gaseous. Okay, they are solid and also gaseous. Except one non-metal is there, that is bromine. What is the name? Bromine. Bromine. You used to pronounce bromine also. You used to pronounce. I know. Okay. So bromine, or you say bromine, which is also liquid. Okay. And they are metal are malleable, right? But non-metal are non-malleable. Metal are ductile, right? But non-metal are non-ductile. Metal are sonorous, non-metal are non-sonorous. Metal are lustrous, but non-metal are non-lustrous. Dark, dull. Okay. Magar exception is there. There is diamond. Okay. You know diamond, right? So diamond is the non-metal, but which give the very shining appearance, which have the very shining appearance. Okay. Yeah, and metal are hard as we know, and non-metal are soft, and generally they are gaseous also. Okay, gas to tan hai kya? No, na? Yeah, and high density. Metal have high density, but non-metal have the low density. Got the point? Yeah, and like that here also come. Yes. Non-metals, no, non-metals are a bad conductor of electricity. But exception is there, except graphite. This, one second, okay? Yeah, this is sir. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, oh, I yenge sa ing han download pudi tawra bune sa I class tawri sir. Okay. Yeah, everyone, you can hear me, right? Okay, Alan, non-metals are bad conductors of electricity, except graphite. In your pencil lead is there, right? In your pencil, right? That pencil lead is graphite, and that is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, so don't ever try to connect with this electric switch and all. Okay, with that one, so you will get electric shock. Got a point? Yeah. Yes. Non-metal, some solids are there, just like sulfur. Okay, just like sulfur and all, they are a solid. Okay, but most of them are generally gaseous. Okay, just like oxygen, chlorine. Okay, oxygen, chlorine, iodine also. Okay, and also carbon dioxide, so that comes to the compound, right? So like helium, neon, argon, many other gases are there. Okay, so they are generally gaseous. Okay, and some are solid. That's all. Okay, so graphite is solid, right? Yes. Devendra Parik, mercury is what? Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Okay, mercury is a metal which is liquid. And bromine is a non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. Okay, got a point? That is exception. Yeah, and we'll go. Yes. Wait. Oh, why not? Who is? Yeah, they are very heavy, you know. Mercury, density of the mercury is very heavy, you know. That's why iron ball, okay, if you take an iron ball and if you put above this mercury liquid, okay, then you will find that this iron ball will float above the mercury. Okay, iron ball will float above the mercury. Why? Because the density of mercury is higher than that of the iron. Okay, if any substance whose density is less than any other object, then they will float. If their density is more than the any liquid, then they will shrink. Okay, they will shrink inside that liquid. Got the point? Yeah, then we'll proceed. Next is comes to the metalloid. Metalloid. Okay, so metalloid is just like say those elements which possess both the property of metal also, non-metal also. Okay, they possess both the property metal का property भी और non-metal का property भी. आदमी में बोलेगा तो क्या बोलेगा? What you will say? Yeah, so that's there, right? Okay, so let's leave it. Okay, so that is about the humans. Okay, so there is a transgender. We can say now. Yes, we can say it simply. All right. So just forget about that one. Yeah, this metalloids generally possess both the property of metal and non-metal, just like silicon and all. Okay, yeah, silicon, boron and all. Okay, so they are very useful. You know, your computer, your mobile. There is a 32 GB, 64 GB. There is a hard drive. I mean, the memory is there, right? And you use the memory card also, right? So they are made from all these kind of the silicons and all. Okay, they are very, very useful. Okay, so we will not go more about this one. Yeah, this one. This is the property of the metals and the non-metals. Okay, this is the physical property. Okay, and next we can go for the chemical property. This chemical property, only by the word, you will not understand. You will understand very nicely along with this one, along with the chemical reactions and the chemical equations. Okay, so now half an hour class is left, so I will start giving the notes now. Okay? Okay, so you open your copy and just be ready now. Okay, I was going to share you this. Okay. Yeah, you have to write down. I will not write, you have to write. Okay.